Hi guys, so I wanted to make my first nail video. It's a purple look with some glitter and some added rhinestones. I hope you guys enjoy and keep watching. So here I'm going to be using a Sally Hansen Insta-Dri. It's kind of a dark purple grayish color. I'm just going to put this on my thumbnail and then my ring finger. Then I'm going to be using a Beyond Perfect to put on the rest of my nails. I will have the descriptions listed below, so if you guys are interested in them, you can find them. I do know that the color that I'm using right now, they might not sell that anymore because it's actually really old. And as you can see, I'm adding that dark purple color to my ring finger, like I said. And then I'm just going to do a quick dry top coat on them to help seal them in. I'm using a Sally Hansen quick dry. So next I'm going to be using, I believe it's China Glaze, just a little purple sparkle. I put it on a sort of like a makeup sponge, and then I sponge it on. This is very helpful because it will take out all of the goopy stuff from the nail polish and just leave the glitter. So next I'm just going to use a nail glue to put on some rhinestones. I actually don't recommend doing this because I found that after when I was done, the glue actually got kind of crusty and gross looking, so I think maybe either you get one that's for rhinestones or you use just a regular top coat. So as you can see, this is probably my first time. Yep, it's definitely my first time putting, making a video about my nails. I've got to find the right angle to do the camera, but I hope you guys still enjoy it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the finished look. It's super simple, but that's what I was going for. And then afterwards, of course, I put on a top coat. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and like my other social media. Thanks. Bye!